Hey everyone, in this guide, we're going over the best deck for Arena 3 in Clash Royale. Let's get started. So the best deck is the Giant, Valkyrie, Mosquito, Bomber, Knight, Skeletons, Spear, Goblins, and Arrows. It's super solid for both offense and defense and perfect for climbing fast. Here start with your giant in the back and support with the musketeer or bomber. Use the Valkyrie to spin through ground, swarms, knight to tank or skeletons to distract big units. Spare goblins give a chip damage and while arrows clear a chip swarms. Cycle your cards efficiently to keep pressure up. Defend first, then counter push with the giant plus support. This deck teaches control, timing, and pressure, which are the key to dominating Arena 3. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.